Hi guys, it's me again, and today I'm going to be building a cutting board from these scraps of redwood. So what you need is some scraps of redwood. You will obviously want them cut to the same length, but these scraps came just the right length, so I don't need to cut anything. You also need 2 woodworking clamps with padded jaws, power sander, a bunch of sanding discs. Those are sanding nets, but they work the same. And the wood glue that you use must be NSF or FDA approved for incidental food contact. Now let's start gluing. I'm gluing on a brass plate so I don't get my workbench dirty, and the brass is really easy to clean. You can also use a disposable surface if you want. Next, you just want to clamp the wood pieces. Just have them clamped until the glue sets. That's a lot of excess glue. It's a good idea to clean the excess glue before it starts setting. So now that the glue has dried, it's time to sand down this board. If you have a planing machine, obviously it'll go much faster, but those are huge industrial machines, so I'm just sanding it with a handheld sander. It goes a lot faster if you have some really coarse sanding discs, and they should be good quality ones, and change them when they get dull, and you shouldn't have any issues. Now that I've sanded both sides of the cutting board, I'm going to sand the edges and try to remove the sharp corners. And for this, I'm having the cutting board clamped in my bench vise, and I have these rubber pads on the vise jaw to avoid damaging the wood. If you have a woodworker's vise which has wooden jaws, you won't need pads, obviously. Now the final step to making the cutting board is to apply a finish. I'm going to use this beeswax and orange oil wood polish and conditioner. I think it's safe for food. So I just rubbed some wood finish all over this. Now the cutting board is finished. I kind of like the look of it. It's not perfect because I don't have a planer which is needed to make it exactly flat, but kind of like the rustic look. And yeah, so I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did, and see you all next time.